School, attention. Stand it is. Attention.
Good morning to everyone. Now we are going to start our morning prayer by the prayer song. So all of you join your hand. The story of three monkeys.
I will speak my will.
I will speak no evil.
I will see no evil.
I will say no evil.
I will hear no evil.
I will hear no evil.
The seven golden rule.
I will be kind. I will be kind. I will be punctual. I will be punctual. I will be loving. I will be loving. I will be courteous. I will be courteous. I will be clean. I will be clean. I will be forgiving. I will be forgiving. I will be honest. I will be honest.
Ready for national anthem. National anthem begin. शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Stand it is.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Good morning to all of you. Today, thought. One more thought in the morning. Then take your whole day. Thank you. Good morning. Here I am presenting a short speech about education. Education is a process of learning or teaching new skills or knowledge. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. Now I am asking some GK question to all of you. First question, name the largest animal on land. Right answer, African elephant. Second question, which of the following is national sport of India? When is the International Earth Day celebrated? Right answer, 22 April. Fourth question, Indian lies in which continent? Asia. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. Today's word of the day is glimpse. Spelling of the word is GLIMPSE. Glimpse. Hindi meaning jhalak. English meaning to look quickly at something.
Yes, one more thing is all the smart class are working. So if you want to take the student for revision or in oral GK period, you use the smart class. All the 4 smart class are working. So moreover Saturday also you take the student to the smart class.